Spring lawn care season is just around the corner. You're not happy with the results that you've had in previous years. Maybe you've got too many weeds, or the lawn's not been getting green, or it's just not been growing very well. Now's the time to plan ahead so you can get everything in place to get the lawn that you really want. So a few things that I'm going to be doing today to get my lawn ready for the season. First thing we're going to be doing is picking up any sticks and branches around the yard that have just fallen over the winter, get them off the yard, allow the lawn the chance to start growing when the time comes, when it's warm enough. Next up, we're going to rake any areas that look like they're matted. Now, this is normally going to be snow mold, and what that is where there's been an area that's had snow left on it for too long, it's kind of weighted it down, and it looks a little bit matted. So we're going to rake that and allow air to get in there and allow that to start breathing. So we've got the yard raked and we've got all the sticks off the yard. Next up, we're going to take the temperature of the yard, and we're going to push this down there. We've got 45, 44 degrees there. This is too cold to start applying product to the lawn, but what it does allow us to do is start preparing and getting our products in, depending on what we're going to be doing. If you're going to be applying a pre-emergent, you want to make sure that you're on an upward trend, 50 degrees and above in the air temperature going forward, and the soil temperature, you want it in that 50 to 55 degree range. Now, we're way below that. We're applying our 2 or 3 weeks off from applying a pre-emergent, but I want to get that in because if you can't get your hands on something, then you're going to be late, then the weeds are going to start germinating. So there's no point in actually applying the pre-emergent then. So we want to be prepared and ready to get that product down as soon as the temperature allows us. Now, if you're going to be overseeding, I wouldn't apply a pre-emergent like this. But if you're going to be overseeding, now's a good time to get your seed bought and ready to go for when the time does get a little bit warmer. Get a soil test done. I tend to do these every single year just until I get the right balance of nutrients in my yard. You'll find out which nutrients your yard's deficient in, which there's surplus in. So then you can tailor which fertilizer you buy. So you're not buying a fertilizer that's got nutrients that your yard has a surplus of. Then it's just basically a waste of money. You're actually going to be applying a product that your yard needs. If you're looking for a recommendation on a well-rounded fertilizer to get this spring, then check out this video over here where I go over the Yard Mastery Starter Fertilizer.